Welcome back to the channel. Now, there's ways that you can actually make money online, up to 150 to up to $3,000 once you get rolling, by just writing articles on certain topics. This site that we're gonna use today is called Money Pantry. I use it for a lot of my stuff, and I'm gonna actually show you where you don't actually have to write out or type out what your interest is in it. So what you want to do is go to moneypantry.com or Google search it. I rather for somebody to use Google as the search engine, because for this method to work, you're gonna need Google to documents and stuff. So we're gonna type in paid to write, and then we want to go down to, as you can see, you can get paid. I'm going to do videos on each one of these topics here. So right now we're going to do one-on-one sites that pays $50 to $3,000 per blog post. So what you want to do is scroll all the way down, and here's the list of topics here. They have vacation, general interest, short stories. If you like politics, education, humor, if you're a parent, parenting, kids and teens, sports. A lot of people are into sports and stuff. Web and technology, farming, if you're into that, art, if you're into art. So what I like to do, I'm a parent, so let's try parent. So it says a fine parent. We're looking for parenting tips. Each accepted article will be paid $75. That's a good one. We're also Babbel. A lot of people is talking about the Disney Plus and Babbel. So it's a parent company, and you can write anything relevant to parenting. You will be paid $150 for 1,200 words. Or Youth Today. Youth Today is intended for caregivers, policy makers, and youth. Um, and then what kind of stories they need. So if you're like a daycare provider, you take time in doing something like with kids and stuff. But I'm not actually going to write on this, um, because I just think I might go back to sports. Sports is something I really, really enjoy and love, or do it yourself here. So sports and outdoors. Let's check sports out. Um, well, fishing and hunting, um, and you can just kind of research some of this stuff, and they say you will make $300 to $700 per accepted piece. Let's see, all about knives, bird watching daily, fishing. If you're into that type of stuff, you can also research this stuff. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go here. Page. Right. Page not found. I don't know what that page went away there. Some of these are may be outdated too. Actually, let me see. Let's go to vacation and travel. That's easy enough. Transitions abroad. Wanderlust. Okay, so we can go here. Great Escape Publishing. Uh, $50 to $2,000 per post. So now you're gonna have to read the guidelines and set it up. I'm not actually gonna set it up here, but you can go through the guidelines. And the next phase of the video is actually, um, let's say, James, I don't like typing. I'm very bad at writing. Then you can use your Google Documents. Go to Google Documents. Go to Documents on Google. Um, and then go to Tools. Go to Voice Typing or Control Shift S, and then you actually can start speaking. So our vacation today, on my vacation, I saw the most wondrous uh, sunset I've ever seen in my life, period. And next time I'm going to take many photos of what I saw. Period. Just waking up in sunshine is a total bliss in life. Exclamation point. So as you can see there, I was just kind of freestyling there. I didn't have anything prepared there, but actually you can just, speak it. And then of course if you need to go to tools and spelling and grammar, you can do a grammar check there or Control Alt X, and then you can just go to the site. You can sign up and then submit your document there. So you don't have to actually type anything out. This is one of the best ways to do it. I actually use a lot of speak to documents because I'm very bad at typing. I think I maybe 20 or 30 words per minute. That's how bad I am. But this is a great site, guys. Again, we're gonna review. We're gonna go to Money Laundry, and we're gonna type in get paid to write. Find this site that says get paid to write. 101 sites that paid $50 to $3,000 per block site. Now some of these like $3,000, you're gonna have to work your way up into that, but making an extra $50 for just speaking a couple paragraphs isn't bad. So if you like this video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell. We'll see you next time.